Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Long time later, we have come to see you and show you the water canal. This water canal, the water is being given through this canal for a long time later, about to 1 month. Because in the middle time, the paddy fields didn't have needed any water on this. But you're also hearing the sound of this water canal. I'm just staining the three corner or the three fields. It's one kind of square corner and here, and I also make some video in standing on these canals, standing on here, and this is another things. But this importance and this characteristic better is that behind me you can see the yellow paddy field or green paddy fields also, and I'm finding some smell from this, but it's absolutely about the afternoon time. The sun power is decreasing, and I'm standing also behind one kind of homestay. It's one of the largest homestay in this area, on this local village, a local field also, and it's absolutely beautiful. I'm also taking the cold air, and there is no sun power, there is no sun thing, there is no hottest area right now at this moment. So it is absolutely beautiful. It is very hard to describe my surrounding. It is more beautiful than described. This is the important things of this area, and the most important thing is that it is sound of water. Everything is natural except me. I'm just making some man-made sounds. Without my sounds, everything I'm hearing is natural. To have natural, to sound natural, everything. When you find something natural, you feel, oh, it's beautiful, it's something beautiful for me, it's something absolutely awesome for me, it's gorgeous for me. So this area at this moment, at this time, everything is gorgeous, at least for me, and you will finding some more beautiful place and something more this like that. And for me, I believe that it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Whatever you can finding more, the water is being given at least around 1 hours for this, and because it's about to the huge land, takes lot of water. For this reason, one day, 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours, or 5 or 6 hours, the machine has to be run, because this is one of the huge land here. Millions of there's some acres of it's available here. If you just focus, you saw something, you will see some trees out of the field, but you will not, there is no inlet on this our area field. So for this reason, it's very beautiful, I think, for my opinion. So by the way, what do you think about this video? Do you like this type of area, this type of water canal, where the water goes across these fields, and it looks beautiful, something more happening, something more awesome, and everything is like that. So I'm going to end this video here. We'll come back to next video, next moment, next time, next things, next topics. For this, keep practicing, keep learning, never stop your speaking.